Very good morning to our RANsquawk viewers and welcome to the European Rundown for Wednesday the 20th of October 2010. We've just gone through 10:30 now here in London. A quick check round the markets and a bit of reversal from some of the moves that we've seen yesterday, where we saw that very aggressive bid in the dollar index, which rose around 1.25% to its highs following that surprise announcement from the PBOC to hike interest rates. Today then, the dollar index is down at its session low at about 0.8, so it's pretty much retraced a large portion of those gains yesterday, and as such both euro dollar and various currencies have managed to eat back some of those losses yesterday. So Aussie dollar up 100 pips, as too is euro dollar in their major pairs. Consequently, that has lifted commodity prices. WTI crude futures back above $80 and a gain of around $1 on the session, and spot gold also up over 0.5% as well. So basic materials and also tech sectors recovering somewhat as the US stock futures remain in minor positive territory heading into the open on Wall Street in the next few hours. One of the major things which we've seen so far this morning has been based in the UK markets, where we have seen, which was pretty much largely expected, a three-way split in the October Bank of England minutes, where Adam Poston has decided to, or voted for, an increase in QE of 50 billion. Andrew Sentance, as he has done in the previous months, wanted a rate hike, whereas the majority of the board wanted things neutral and on hold for the time being. Elsewhere though, the public finances numbers from the UK did come out a little bit worse than expected, particularly that of net borrowing, and as such gilts did move lower, as too did the pound post that UK economic data. Looking forward then, it's another day of busy corporate earnings. A couple more of the bigger US investment banks to report today. Pre-market will be Morgan Stanley and also Wells Fargo. Boeing, they're also due as well before the opening bell. And just take a look in terms of the US economic calendar, in terms of data, it is pretty quiet. We're just looking out for the weekly NBA mortgage apps. We'll also be eyeing the Canadian monetary policy report, having seen them leave rates on hold yesterday at 1%. And we'll have the oil inventory numbers due at the usual time, 3:30 London time. So that concludes the European wrap-up. We'll have another update to come at the European cash equity close. But for the time being, I wish you all a great trading day.